Wondering what plants to choose for your fall garden? As the seasons change, so too should your garden. This video will guide you through the top 5 plants that will not only add a splash of color to your garden in fall, but are also easy to care for during the cooler months. We'll discuss everything from their unique characteristics to their care requirements. So, if you're looking for the perfect autumn touch, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover these fabulous 5 fall plants. First up on our list is the classic fall plant, the chrysanthemum. Known for their robust blooms, chrysanthemums, or mums as they're affectionately called, are a true sign of fall. These hardy perennials arrive on the scene just as most other flowers are taking their final bows. Blooming in the fall, they bring a fresh vibrancy to our gardens, just when we need it most. With a range of colors to choose from, including warm oranges, sunny yellows, deep purples, and even white, there's a mum out there to match every garden's color scheme. But it's not just their looks that make chrysanthemums a top choice for fall. They're also quite undemanding when it comes to their care. All they really need is a spot that gets full sun and well-drained soil. So even if you consider yourself a brown thumb, you shouldn't have too much trouble keeping these beauties alive. Moreover, chrysanthemums have a secret weapon that makes them even more suited for fall planting. They're one of the few flowers that can withstand frost. While other plants wilt and wither at the first hint of frost, mums stand strong, their vibrant blooms undeterred by the chilly weather. In short, chrysanthemums are a powerhouse of a plant. They offer late-season color, require little care, and can even stand up to frost. Chrysanthemums are a great fall plant that brings color to your garden as the season changes. Next up, we have pansies, a colorful addition to any fall garden. Now don't be fooled by their delicate appearance. Pansies are surprisingly resilient and cold-tolerant. These vibrant blooms can keep your garden looking lively throughout the fall and even into the winter months. One of the great things about pansies is their versatility. They come in a wide range of colors from purples and blues to yellows and whites, allowing you to customize the look of your garden to your heart's content. When it comes to caring for pansies, they aren't too demanding. They enjoy a bit of sun, but they're quite happy in partial shade too. Regular watering is key, but be careful not to overwater as this can lead to root rot. Pansies are also great for container gardening, making them a perfect choice for those with limited space. So whether you have a sprawling garden or a tiny balcony, pansies can find a home there. Pansies are a versatile choice that can bring color to your garden even in cooler temperatures. Our third plant is a bit different. It's ornamental kale. This isn't your average leafy green. Ornamental kale, also known as crane's feather, is a plant that truly embraces the spirit of fall. Unlike many other plants, this one doesn't shy away from the cooler temperatures. In fact, it thrives in it. Ornamental kale is a spectacle of nature's artistry. It has a unique look, with its vibrant hues of green, purple, white, and pink, arranged in rosette patterns. These colors aren't static though. As the temperature drops, the colors of ornamental kale become more vibrant, more vivid. It's as if the plant is putting on its own light show, painting the garden with splashes of color. Now, let's talk about how to care for this fall beauty. Ornamental kale isn't too demanding. It enjoys basking in the full sun, soaking up those rays to fuel its color transformation. And like any good plant, it appreciates a good watering schedule. Regular watering is key to keeping ornamental kale at its best, but be careful not to overwater, as it can lead to root rot. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a novice, ornamental kale is a plant that's easy to love and relatively easy to care for. It brings color, texture, and a unique aesthetic to any garden. Ornamental kale, with its unique look and vibrant colors, can be a great addition to your fall garden. Our fourth fall plant is the stunning autumn joy sedum. This perennial beauty truly lives up to its name, bursting into a riot of color just when most other garden plants are starting to fade. Its unique look is characterized by late-season blooms that evolve from a delicate pink to a deep, rich rust as the season progresses. This change is almost like watching a sunset unfold in your garden, one petal at a time. The autumn joy sedum is not just a pretty plant, it's also a hardy one. It thrives in full sun and requires well-drained soil, making it a great choice for those sun-drenched corners of your garden. And don't worry about any complex care routines. Once established, this plant requires very little maintenance, making it a joy indeed for any gardener. But perhaps one of the most charming aspects of the autumn joy sedum is its appeal to butterflies. As you watch this sedum change color, you'll also notice the delightful flurry of butterflies it attracts. It's like a double treat for your senses, the visual spectacle of the plant and the gentle fluttering of butterfly wings. So if you're looking for a fall plant that combines beauty, hardiness, and a dash of wildlife attraction, look no further than the Autumn Joy sedum. With its spectacular blooms and minimal care requirements, it's sure to bring a touch of joy to your autumn garden. Autumn Joy sedum is a beautiful fall plant that can also attract butterflies to your garden. Last but not least, we have the elegant Japanese anemones. These perennials with their delicate poppy-like blooms are an enchanting sight to behold. They come alive in late summer, continuing to flourish well into the fall, providing a fresh burst of color as other plants begin to fade. Japanese anemones possess an ethereal quality that belies their hardy nature. They are not just visually captivating but also robust and easy to care for. They prefer partial sun, thriving in spots with morning sun and afternoon shade. This means they can fit into many garden layouts, making them a versatile choice for your fall garden. Moreover, these beauties are fans of well-drained soil. They don't like their roots to be too wet, so it's crucial to ensure they're planted in locations where water doesn't pool. Japanese anemones are a graceful addition to your fall garden, bringing a touch of elegance as the season changes. So there you have it, our top 5 plants for your fall garden. We've explored the vibrant chrysanthemums, the resilient pansies, the eye-catching ornamental kale, the hardy Autumn Joy sedum, and the graceful Japanese anemones. Each of these plants brings its own unique charm and color to your garden, ensuring a lively and captivating fall landscape. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, these plants are sure to brighten up your outdoor space. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your fall garden. Happy gardening!